This 5-minute solution will show you how to see Steam API key. It's very easy process to find your Steam API key. Just follow me to get your API key. First of all, open a browser. Once you are in your browser, you have to open this link, steamcommunity.com/dev/API key. You will get this register Steam web API key option. Here, enter your domain name. If you don't have any domain, you can easily write here google.com and then check this I agree box and click on register, and that's it. Here you will get your key and your domain name. You can also revoke your web API key by clicking revoke my Steam web API key. So that's how we can find Steam API key. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.